Hopefully you guys saw my prior video where I swapped out all of my intercooler couplers to silicone. I initially started out with 3 of these. This one's all dusty. 3 of these, $26 each off eBay. But the only issue is they're equal length. The couplers that come with the Procharger kit are rubber, a lot weaker, less reinforcement, and a little bit thicker, but they still balloon out. Besides the point, it's shorter on one side and a lot longer on the other. I was able to make this fit on this side, which you saw probably on the other video, but it was a little tight and things were rubbing. So I got this longer piece, I cut it down to fit. See the coupler that I bought for this, and the one down here, they're all the same. This one needs a little bit of trimming. This one needed a little bit of trimming just up here. And this one needed no trimming because it barely fit. I mean, it's barely holding on. But because it barely fits, the blow-off valve flange right here kind of rubs on this piece of metal. So I got this longer one here so I can custom trim it, leave it a little bit longer so that it'll kind of alleviate this rubbing. I don't want it to tear a hole through this piece right here, because if it ever tears a hole through there, then there goes my boost. So we don't want that happening. Ooh, it's so long. Ooh, yes. Oh yeah, much better. So this added length, I'll probably cut it about right here. Will fit a lot nicer, I'm sure. Gonna look good. That should do it. Perfect score. Let's go and do some more. Oh yeah. Definitely a better fit. Fits up there better. These ones with the orange on the inside seem to slide up onto couplers and the blower a lot easier than the ones that are just black on the inside. They seem to be easier to manage and slide on. So I'll definitely be getting those from now on. So we're all the way up on the blower, which is good. And we were all the way and then some onto this bypass hose. We're not completely off of this piece of metal here, but I think we're still good. Not rubbing so much. I think I can actually pull a little bit further. If I shorten this hose, it won't press on the grill, and I should be able to pull it back more. So sweet. All complete. All silicone couplers for the intercooler now. So yeah, these are only like $30-something. Procharger. These fit so much better than these rubber pieces of garbage. So much better. Garbage. $30-something each. You should include these in the V6 S550 kit. They fit better. Look at that fitment. So much better. Got more clearance on the blow-off valve hose. Even with the RTR grill, not even touching. The rubber hose, the rubber leg on this side, used to rub up against this piece of metal right here. No more. It's all perfect fitment. I have no clue why rubber was used. Yeah.